Yes, welcome back to our channel. Today we have one more Gypsy which has come for the complete service with us, and this vehicle is a Tamil Nadu registered vehicle, come from Coimbatore for the complete service. You can just have a look at this vehicle. This vehicle is at the moment in the ramp, and we have removed the hubs completely. Hub greasing is going to be done. You can just check out. We are going to check the bearings also, liners also, and also the brake pads. Disc also we would be checking. Both the sides we are removing at the moment. You can just check this side also would be removed, and complete servicing will be done. We are going to change the differential oils both front and back. You can just have a look at the brake drums also being removed. We'll be checking the brake liners as well as brake cylinders in this. So this is the tires which has been completely removed. This vehicle is coming up with off-roading rims which has been installed. White off-roading rims have been installed on this 215 75 15 they have installed, and all the four tires have been removed for general checkup, and still a lot of work is yet to be pending on this vehicle. We also have a seat alteration in this. Prad tire carrier is going to be installed on this vehicle, and rock sliders are also yet to be installed. Stay tuned and watch our channel for more and more updates we'll be providing you on each and every vehicle. And here we have a old carburetor Gypsy which has come for the modification of 1.6. So we are going to install 1.6 engine in this. Mpfi gearbox is going to be installed. Four-wheel gearbox is also going to be installed. ECM wiring, everything is going to be installed on this vehicle. Power steering is going to be installed. Stay tuned and watch our channel for more and more updates. So here is the engine which we have purchased it, and we are going to install it. We are going to replace the clutch as well as the pressure plate completely, and complete servicing will be done on this vehicle. We also have a invader which has come for the engine upgrade, that's engine rebuild. SZ Scorpio engine is yet to be installed on this vehicle. For any kinds of queries regarding any Gypsies, Jeeps, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 98866796117. We service both Jeep and Gypsies, and also we have a 540 which has come for a modification of differential brakings. We also have a Willys petrol engine which is yet to be started, and brand new bodies being installed on this vehicle, and servicing will be done on the engine soon, and I'll be providing you more and more updates. For any kinds of servicing related issues or any Gypsies, Jeeps, Boleros, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 98866796117. This Bolero has also been upgraded to a DI turbo engine. Complete work has been done. Last moment servicing as checkups have been done on this vehicle. We also have Xenon for the complete service. So stay tuned and watch our channel for more and more updates. WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 98866796117. We are based in Bangalore, so please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.